Nail art is a fantastic way to express your creativity and showcase your favorite characters and stories. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through creating a stunning Beauty and the Beast inspired nail design. Get ready to channel your inner Disney enthusiast and create a magical manicure that will enchant anyone who sees it. Base coat: yellow nail polish, blue nail polish, red nail polish, black nail polish or nail art pen, white nail polish or nail art pen, clear top coat, nail art brushes or toothpicks, nail polish remover and cotton swabs for cleanup. Start by cleaning your nails and shaping them to your desired length and shape. Apply a clear base coat to protect your nails and help your nail art last longer. Paint all your nails with a vibrant yellow nail polish. Allow it to dry completely before moving on to the next step. You may need to apply 2 coats for full opacity. Using a blue nail polish or a nail art brush, carefully draw Belle's iconic dress on your ring finger. Start with a curved line at the tip of your nail for the hem of the dress. Then, create the top part of the dress with a V shape. Fill it in with blue polish. On your index finger, create beautiful red roses. Dip a toothpick or a fine nail art brush into red polish and add several small overlapping circles to resemble roses. You can add green leaves and stems using green polish or a nail art pen. Paint your thumb and pinky nails with a light blue nail polish. Once dry, use a black nail art pen or a fine brush to carefully draw a silhouette of Belle in her iconic pose on your thumb. On your middle finger, use a nail art brush or toothpick to add a tiny red rose, representing the enchanted rose from the story. You can also add some white dots to represent fairy dust. On your ring finger, use a black nail art pen or brush to write Belle in a stylish script font. Once all the nail art is dry, apply a clear top coat to protect your design and give your nails a glossy finish. This step will also help your manicure last longer. Use a cotton swab dipped in nail polish remover to clean up any mistakes or excess polish around your nails. Now you have a stunning Beauty and the Beast inspired nail design that's sure to impress. Share your masterpiece with your friends and on social media, and let your Disney love shine.